Hello everyone. In today's module, we will discuss about Introduction to Food Microbiology and Food Safety. The primary objectives of this module are to introduce history and progression of food microbiology and food safety, to learn the basic concept and scope of food microbiology and food safety, and to recognize the role of food microbiologist and current status of food microbiology and food safety. So in this module, you will learn an important historical developments in food microbiology and food safety, the role of microorganism in food like food fermentation, food preservation, food-borne illnesses, food spoilage, food quality control, and emergence of food safety, and in the last, scope of food microbiology and food safety. Almost every food product has certain kinds of microorganisms. Each microorganism has its different role in food, and their presence may influence the quality and texture of the food. Some of them have desirable roles like natural fermentation of the food, while others causes spoilage and disease. In ancient time, people used several methods of food fermentation, spoilage, and preservation. The relationship between microorganism and food was not established before 1800. Swan in 1837 discussed about the yeast which appeared during alcoholic fermentation, and 1857 to 1876 Pasteur stated that for the chemical conversion that takes place in food and beverages, microorganisms were responsible. These discoveries were considered as an important milestone in the evolution of food microbiology. Later on, many discoveries were made about the activity and potential role of microorganisms in preserving, spoiling, and poisoning of food spread over globally. Around 8000 BC, agriculture and animal husbandry were adopted by the early civilizations. Between 8000 to 1000 BC, different traditional methods for preserving food such as drying, cooking, baking, smoking, salting, sugaring with honey, ice, storage in pits, fermentation with grains, fruits, milk, pickling, and spicing were used mainly to diminish spoilage. A practice for fermentation was commonly used by many communities for preserving food and to produce different kinds of popular food using fruit, vegetables, and milk. Around the 60s, 70s, after ubiquitous acceptance of existence of bacteria and yeast by Leeuwenhoek, some researchers explored the potential role of such microorganisms with different types of food in terms of fermentation, spoilage, and illnesses associated with food. During 1870s, Pasteur initiated the possible applications and role of microorganisms in food and also proved their scientific evidence. Above finding paved the path of success in the further development of early food microbiology in 20th century. Few major developments and most significant dates, events, and contributions of scientists in the history of spoilage, food poisoning, preservation, microbiological techniques, and food legislations are described till 20th century. The important discoveries and developments in food spoilage during 1600 to 1700, existence of bacteria in milk was confirmed by Kircher. Yeast cells were firstly observed by Leeuwenhoek. During 1700 to 1800, the identification of lactic acid bacteria as main acid in sour milk by Scheele. 1800 to 1900, slimy beet juice examined by Kircher. Souring of milk due to the growth of organism, which was demonstrated by Pasteur. Cheese ripening was similar to alcoholic and organic acid fermentation was confirmed. First report on microbial deterioration of egg and the pure culture of Lactococcus lactis was first isolated by Lister. Later on, ability of pure cultures of bacteria to grow 0 degree demonstrated by Forster. Study on thermophilic bacteria and spoilage of canned corn due to improper heat processing were discovered. During 1900 to 2000, the term osmophilic and psychrophiles were used, and the isolation of Bacillus coagulans from coagulated milk was performed. The important discoveries and developments in food poisoning. during the year 1800 to 1900, sausage poisoning and its fatality was described by Justinus Kerner. Milk as a transmitter of typhoid fever was reported by Taylor. Isolation of Salmonella enteritis from meat and Clostridium botulinum was discovered. During 1900 to 2000, Clostridium botulinum type A strain was documented. Food poisoning by Bacillus cereus reported. Paralytic shellfish poisoning reported. Yersinia enterocolitica reported as a causative agent for gastroenteritis. Salmonella enterotoxins were discovered. Infant botulism were reported. Listeria outbreaks in US reported. Campylobacter jejuni enterotoxin reported, and the approval of irradiation to control Trichinella spiralis in pork in the US was conferred. The important discoveries and development in the area of food preservation. During 1700 to 1800, canning of vinegar by Swedish chemist. During 1800 to 1900, preserving of food by canning process was patented. US patent for preserving food in tin cans granted. A patent for making condensed milk granted to Newton. Canning in Australia was introduced by S. Eliot. Sterilization of food by autoclaving, a patent granted. Commercial pasteurization of milk in the US. Mechanical refrigeration of fruit storage started in Chicago, and first bacteriological study of canning by Russell. During 1900 to 2000, sodium benzoate was permitted as a preservative for certain foods. Preserving fruits and vegetables under carbon dioxide, a patent was granted to Frank's. Structured study of spore heat resistance performed by Bigelow and Istri. Industrial application of controlled atmosphere storage of apples in Europe. Ionizing radiation to preserve Hamburg meat by Procter. Introduction of D-value concept first time, and sorbic acid approved as a food preservative. The important discoveries and developments in microbiological techniques during the year 1800 to 1900. First time use of cotton to close tubes and flasks to restrict microbial contamination in heated culture broth. Methylene blue as a synthetic dye to stain bacteria in aqueous suspension. Thermal resistance of endospore of Bacillus subtilis revealed by F. Kohn. Pure culture of Streptococcus lactis was isolated by cereal dilution from sour milk. Robert Koch and his team first time introduced several important methods like solid media to purify and enumerate bacteria, Petri dish, flagellar staining techniques, steam sterilization of media that works above boiling point of water, and some photography of cells and spores. Hence, Christian Gram developed Gram stain for staining of bacterial cells. Important developments in food legislation. During the year 1800 to 1900, National Meat Inspection Law enacted and compulsory for the inspection of meats for export purpose only. Amendment in previous Meat Inspection Act. During 1900 to 2000, US FDA approved by the Congress. A requirement of pasteurization of milk order was issued. New Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act enacted as law. Miller Pesticide Chemicals Amendment to Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act was approved by Congress. Compulsory poultry and poultry product law in US was enacted. Use of irradiation for preservation of bacon approved by US FDA, and developed HACCP regulation for meat and poultry, fishery product and juice product first time. Recently, the importance of microorganisms in the food has increased a lot. Due to their important role in food production, they can be either beneficial or harmful. In terms of importance, all the groups of microorganisms are not equal interest for a food microbiologist because of different nature and their metabolites. The important microbial groups associated with the food are bacteria, molds, yeast, viruses, protozoa, and algae. Food safety is a matter of great concern for all of us as it begins from crop to gut. An individual may or may not be aware of it before having a meal, but there are many other persons belongs to various fields like farming, research, industry, government or non-government offices who had great concerns about the food being served to them. Safety of food cannot be achieved by a single individual. It is a joint responsibility of everyone who is involved in it. It can be farmer, food processor, consumer or food regulatory authority. Food is considered safe for human being when it is free from all kinds of hazard which may be responsible for disease. In ancient time, people were not aware of foodborne disease or food safety. Although it was known to the people that food spoils, however, they were not aware of the reason behind spoilage of food and subsequent disease from the consumption of spoiled food. After the late 19th century, scientists have begun to understand about the bacteria and their relationship to disease. That is why the history of food safety is the actually history of various finding, invention, food regulations and standards that all led to the knowledge of present time. The developments of last 2 decades in the area of food safety are presented in this slide. The safety of food is affected by 4 factors: changing demographics, lifestyle and demand of consumer, food production and economics, and the emergence of new pathogenic microorganisms. The prime objective of an implementation of the food safety management system in food establishments is to provide a preventive approach to identify, prevent and reduce foodborne hazards like physical, chemical and biological agents which could minimize the risk of food poisoning and to make food safe for eating. A well-designed FSMS with necessary control measures can help food manufacturing units to comply with food hygiene regulations and to ensure that food prepared for sale is hygienic and safe for consumers. These programs are preventive in nature and are implemented by experienced professional staff at various stages of food production to minimize the exposure of food to contaminants. Many food safety and quality management programs are integrated to produce safe and hygienic food consistently for human consumption. These programs include good agricultural practices, that is called GAP, good manufacturing practices, GMP, good hygienic practices, GHP, hazard analysis and critical control point, HACCP, quality management system, QMS, ISO 9001, Food Safety Management System FSMS, ISO 22000 and microbiological risk assessment. The implementation of food safety involves a blend of laws, standards and accepted good practices involving government, it can be central or state government, international organizations like WTO and Codes Alimentarios Commission, industry organization, research agencies, independent standard bodies and independent certification bodies. The major focus area of food microbiology and food safety are food spoilage, food illnesses, food fermentation, food preservation, food hygiene and sanitation in food service establishment, microbiological risk assessment of food, and quality control in food industry. In food service sector, there are several designations which could be given to a food microbiology professional based on their qualification and professional training, such as Food Safety Supervisor, Quality Control Officer or Quality Assurance or Management Professional in Food, Hospitality, Retail Industry and Food Testing Laboratory. Food Safety Officer in the Food Regulatory Bodies or Organization, Food Safety Project Microbiologist or Research Scientist, Microbiology Supervisor for Food Testing, Food Auditor in Certification and Inspection Bodies, trainer, counselor, consultant, advisor in food safety and quality management system, and moreover, an individual can start his or her startup as a professional in certifying or auditing of food safety and quality management system. Food microbiology and food safety focuses on the study of microbial ecology related to food like spoilage, fermentation, preservation, investigation of foodborne outbreaks, and quality control of food in food manufacturing units, as well as national and international food safety legislations. The developments, which stretched over several centuries, eventually led to the recognition of importance and more diverse role of microorganisms in food products.